In today's complex environments, operators need more than just eyes in the sky. They need an FPV drone that is fast and easy to deploy, easy to fly, and built to perform in the tightest spaces. Stinger Vision FPV is a compact Blue UAS Cleared FPV drone engineered for safe, autonomous flight in confined environments. Its autonomy-first design gets pilots flying in minutes. With intuitive controls and computer vision-assisted flight, new users can start flying quickly, reducing training time and accelerating deployment. With 12 minutes of flight time and onboard AI, Stinger Vision FPV is designed to take on indoor missions with intelligence and agility. With our ModalAI MVX on board, Stinger Vision FPV streams encrypted HD video with sub-40 milliseconds latency, giving operators real-time intel when it matters the most. Built for indoor, real-world missions, Stinger Vision FPV weighs just 575 grams and features a protected propeller cage, ready to maneuver the tightest spaces. With the ability to switch between 3 FPV feeds, Stinger Vision offers unmatched situational awareness, even in zero light or unknown conditions. Quickly toggle through EO for visibility, thermal for heat signatures, and downward for payload observation. Dark, GPS-denied, and structurally complex spaces are no longer blind spots. With IR-sensitive EO cameras, onboard overt and IR floodlights, and thermal imaging, Stinger Vision sees what others miss. With onboard AI, Stinger Vision FPV can identify objects, people, and obstacles, eliminating guesswork. Crash, flip, and fly again. With a push of a button, Turtle Mode gets Stinger Vision FPV ready to fly again in seconds. Lose video signal? No problem. With Backtrack Mode, Stinger Vision FPV retraces its path back to safety, preserving both the mission and equipment. For engineers and OEMs, Stinger Vision is more than a reconnaissance tool. It's an open AI development platform. Powered by the VOXL 2 Mini, featuring an 8-core CPU-enabled AI flight computer supercharged by VOXL SDK, Stinger Vision FPV is ready for custom autonomy, perception, and payload integration. With more than 12 minutes of flight time, 575 grams total weight, encrypted HD video, and advanced onboard autonomy, Stinger Vision delivers tactical performance in a compact frame. Whether you're deploying today or building for tomorrow, Stinger Vision FPV is your smart Blue UAS cleared solution. Stinger Vision is available today at ModalAI.com.